everyone, hope you guys are well. It's been a minute since I've actually uploaded, but I'm back and excited to bring you 3 matte looks using the Huda Beauty Nude palette. All the face products will be in the down bar below, so make sure to check it out. I hope you enjoy. Now I've already primed my eyelids and they're ready to go. The first shade I'm picking up is Play. It's a very light powdery peach shade and I am buffing this above my crease. The next shade is Teddy and it's my favorite shade. It's so buttery and smooth. I would describe this as a caramelized peach shade and it's just so stunning. As you can see, I'm applying this all over the lid and socket area, blending this into the previous shade Play. I'm also going to bring this down under the lash line. Next, I'm going in with this soft brown shade and applying this to the outer V to bring some depth. I don't want this to be extra, so I'm blending this out as I go along. Next, I'm applying a brown eyeliner to the top and bottom lash line and smudging this out. Now, what a difference this makes to the eyes. You can really see how the eyes just pop here. Since I love Teddy so much, I decided to use this as my blush to tie in the look. And then I applied this lip color from Black Moon Cosmetics called Libra. And that's the first look completed. It's simple yet sophisticated. For the next look, I'm going to lay down the base with this NudeStix pencil in Taupe. I'm going for a cool toned purplish gray look with this. I'm taking this pencil underneath the lash line as well. Next, I'm picking up Tease. This is a deep cool tone purple gray shade and I'm applying this right on top of Taupe. Then with Secret, I'm going to blend out the edges around the perimeter of the eye. This is a neutral soft brown shade and it's quite nice as a transition. Then going in yet with another brown eyeliner to tightline, and no, this is not the NYX liner that I use all the time, it's the Urban Decay. I'm trying to keep it versatile as possible for you guys. Then I'm quickly filling in my brows here, nothing special. Moving on to blusher, now I've been loving this palette for its versatility. The shades double up as really good blushes, which I believe is a real bonus with this palette. For the first lip option, I'm going in for a slightly pink mauve shade. This is Fig from the Sephora collection. It has a beautiful luster to it and it's non-drying on the lips. This next option is more of on the cooler side. It's a true mauve shade from L'Oreal. It's called Angora and it's pure matte. It is very ghoulish looking and it made me look really dead, so I decided to top it off with the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Sepia, and it was just the perfect touch. And there's your cool tone look complete. It's perfect for fall or winter. Now for the final look, I'm beginning with my eyeshadow primer again, and then I'm going in with this beautiful deep plum shade called Love Bite. I'm packing this onto the inner and outer perimeter of the eye, and then I'm going to be sweeping the shade across the top of the crease to create that halo effect. I'm going to flip the brush over and pick up Tickle. This is a warm pink shade and I'm again packing this onto the center of my eyelids. Next, I'm picking up Lace. This is a very light mauve shade and this is going right on top of Tickle. And then I'm also going to be taking Lace and buffing out any harsh edges. I'm applying a black waterproof eyeliner to my lower lash line. With the pencil brush, I am buffing this really well to make it smooth. I'm doing a very tiny reverse wing here, just flicking the pencil brush in an upwards motion and distributing the product on top of the lash line for that smudgy look. I'm going to apply Love Bite underneath the low lash line to soften it up a bit. And then here I'm just tight lining with that black eyeliner I used earlier. For the lips, I'm keeping it soft and bright. The first lipstick is from Dose of Colors, the Desi and Katie collab. This is in the shade Hey Girl and has a nice peachy undertone. And then I'm going to top it off with the NYX Plush Gel Lipstick in Fuzzy Berries. This adds shine and has a balmy formula. It's actually quite comfortable on the lips. And finally, for blush, I'm going to take Tickle and pop that on. And there you have it. 3 completely different matte looks. It's easy, quick, and requires no effort at all. I do have a tutorial coming up for the shimmer shades, so I didn't forget those. So if you want to see that video, then hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss it at all. And I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching.